Today, we're putting the spotlight on the elegant, sleek, and straight Type 1 hair. With its silky smoothness and natural shine, it's a gift to cherish. We'll uncover the secrets to nurturing your lovely hair to ensure it remains as vibrant as your spirit. Let's go! Gentle cleansing for glorious shine. Start off with the basics. Opt for a sulfate-free, gentle shampoo. Type 1 hair is naturally sleek, so you want products that won't strip away its natural oils. Sulfate-free shampoo is your secret weapon for Type 1A, 1B, and 1C hair care. With its gentle formula, it preserves your hair's natural oils and leaves your locks luscious and full of life. Say goodbye to the heavy, weighted-down feeling and say hello to vibrant strands that dance in the sunlight. Another good rule of thumb to preserve your sleek hair's natural oil is infrequent washing. Wondering how often to give those Type 1A, 1B, and 1C tresses a splash of love? This might seem hard at first, but aim for a sweet spot of once or twice a week. This prevents over-drying and maintains that natural sheen that defines Type 1 locks. And remember to go for lukewarm to cool water instead of hot water while washing your hair. Hot water can strip away the natural oils from your scalp and hair, which leaves it dry and dull. Lukewarm to cool water ensures your hair stays hydrated and retains its natural shine. So turn down the heat a notch and let your hair shine in all its glory. DIY Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo is your hair's secret weapon for a fresh and fabulous journey. It's like a quick pick-me-up in a bottle, which absorbs excess oil and gives your hair an instant, revitalizing boost. Plus, it adds a lovely texture and volume without any fuss. So whether you're in a rush or just looking to extend your blowout's life, dry shampoo is the answer, especially if you want to lower the amount of times you wash your hair. Our secret? An easy DIY dry shampoo that'll work wonders is organic rice flour. Dab 1 tablespoon on your hair and embrace the magic and shake away the worries. We've shared a couple of the best DIY natural dry shampoo recipes in one of our previous videos. Head on over to it after this one. Want to keep up with all the best tips to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Avoid heavy products. Heavy products? Nah, not your hair's jam. Keep things light and breezy. Those luscious Type 1 locks thrive on lightness and movement. Opt for lightweight goodness that enhances your hair's natural beauty without weighing it down. Think airy mousses, spritzes, or light essential oils like rosemary or peppermint. That's your ticket to runway-ready hair. Embrace that flow and let your strands dance freely in the breeze. It's time to shine, minus the heaviness. Conditioning magic. Skipping conditioner is a big no-no. Having silky smooth tresses does not mean your locks do not require this elixir. But lucky you don't need to use it as often as other hair types. Conditioners seal in moisture, boost shine, and keeps those lovely locks tangle-free. Just opt for a lightweight moisturizing conditioner, also free of bad ingredients, to hydrate without weighing down those delicate locks, leaving you with bouncy, vibrant hair that's ready to conquer the world. Also use conditioner strategically. Apply it from mid-length to the ends, where your hair needs the most hydration. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticles and lock in moisture, and let your hair dance with joy. Brushing with care. Type 1 hair is naturally straight, so you don't have to brush it excessively. Overbrushing can lead to stripping of precious natural oils and leave your strands sad and dull. So stop when your brush starts gliding through your strands. Use the proper technique of starting from the ends and working your way up. This gentle approach prevents unnecessary breakage and tangles. Also, make sure you're not too aggressive while brushing. Use gentle downward strokes, be patient, take your time, and avoid forceful strokes that can result in unnecessary tugging and unwanted breakage. You might enjoy simply detangling your hair or even detangling before brushing to minimize damage. Investing in the right brushes and detangling tools is essential to care for your locks, which is what TangleGenie does. It's the ultimate detangling tool that will save your strands. With its 360-degree bristle design, you'll be amazed at how easily this magic tool glides through your damp or dry hair. It detangles gently without pain or pulling. The best part? It's designed to prevent damage and breakage. No more wrestling matches with your locks. Give it a try for tangle-free hair. Trim, trim, trim. Regular trims? They're like little bursts of joy for your locks. Think of them as the superhero squad that battles split ends and keeps your hair's health at its peak. Regular trims are essential to maintaining the health of your type 1 hair. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep split ends away and your hair looking neat and polished. Those trims keep your tresses lively, full of bounce, and free from damage. Plus, they're the perfect excuse for a pampering salon day and a dose of self-care. So let your hair twirl in delight, show off its brilliance, and remember, trims aren't just for maintenance, they're for unleashing your hair's true star power. Enjoying these tips? Smack that like button. Your support helps YouTube spread the hair joy to even more people. Thanks for being awesome. Volumizing products. Volumizing products can be your type 1 hair's sidekick to fabulosity. They add that oomph and bounce you crave and turn every day into a runway show. With their feather-light touch, these wonders lift your strands without the weight. Say goodbye to flat hair days. Whether it's a spritz, mousse, or serum, volumizers work their enchantment, making your locks sway with confidence. So pump up the volume, embrace that va-va-voom, and let your hair be the star in its own show. Tone down heat styling. We know you sleek strands beauties want to try different looks, and when your silky tresses don't hold up the style, you crank up the heat, which makes your strands undergo a double damage. Skipping the heat styling lets your natural beauty shine through and keeps your strands vibrant and healthy. But if you love using heat tools, always apply a heat protectant spray before styling. Low heat settings are your best friend, as high temperatures can damage your hair's natural texture. No one likes that fried hair look. The best is to allow your hair to air dry whenever possible to minimize heat exposure and keep the styling sessions occasional to prevent overexposure to heat. So go on, rock those straight, heatless, healthy locks. Balanced diet, glorious hair. Want the ultimate secret to hair fabulousness? It's all in your plate. A nutrient-rich diet isn't just delicious. It's the superhero your locks deserve. Think vitamins, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, and those oh-so-precious proteins. They're the building blocks for strong, shiny hair that you can't resist flaunting. Leafy greens, juicy fruits, lean proteins, they're your hair's cheerleaders, keeping it luscious and full of life. Don't forget to stay hydrated too, as water is the ultimate elixir for radiant hair. So embrace that nutrient richness on your plate and watch your strands bloom with health and vitality. Feed your hair, feed your soul, and let your beauty shine from the inside out. We've shared all the best foods and nutrients to eat for hair health in previous videos. Make sure to head on to them after this one. Treat your hair to masks. Ready for a treat? Hair masks are your locks' happy spa day. Packed with nourishing goodness, they shower your hair with extra love, moisture, and strength. Search for the best DIY delight and indulge your locks in a nourishing hair mask once a week to leave your strands glowing with vitality. Look for masks that focus on hydration and repair. Ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, and keratin can work wonders in keeping your type 1 hair healthy and glowing. Wave goodbye to dullness and welcome back that wow factor. So, dive into hair mask heaven, let your locks soak up the goodness, and reveal the stunning, healthy hair you've always dreamt of. Treat your hair, show it care, and let the radiance shine through. Do you know of any other type 1 hair care tips that you'd like to share? Spill them in the comments below. We love sharing tips with everyone. And be sure to check out this video right here to find out all about the best foods and nutrients to eat to care for your hair from within. Happy hair care journey!